Hello students, in this particular session I am going to explain the activity of periodic classification of elements. Activity 5.1, looking at its resemblance to alkali metals and halogen family, try to assign hydrogen a correct position in Mendeleev's periodic table. Okay, so answer is Mendeleev considered formulae of hydrides and oxides formed by an element as one of the basic properties of element for its classification. Okay, so Mendeleev considered hydrides and oxides, formula of hydrides and oxides, and Mendeleev placed hydrogen in the first group, that means alkali metals group, in his periodic table. Why he has kept hydrogen in the first group? Because hydrogen makes oxides similar to alkali metals such as H2O. So what is alkali metal oxide form? That is, for example, lithium oxide Li2O or sodium oxide Na2O. So these are all alkali metal oxides. So these are all having same form like hydrogen oxide H2O. Okay, hydrogen also form hydrides, for example lithium hydride, sodium hydride, similar to halogens. So halogens, when it reacts with the hydrogen and it forms, we commonly call it as hydrogen halides or halo acids. Halo acids means, for example, HCl, HF, HBr. So these are all hydrides. Hydrides are formed when an element is combined with the hydrogen. Okay, so hydrogen also forms hydrides. Example, lithium hydride, sodium hydride, similar to halogens. Okay, so now the thing is, hydrogen is showing some property similar to alkali metal and some property similar to halogens. But the position of hydrogen with alkali metal is more convincing because hydrogen has one more property similar to alkali metals, that is tendency of losing electron and becomes electropositive. Okay, first group elements also has the tendency to lose electron and becomes electropositive. Therefore hydrogen is placed in first group. Okay, moving on to which group and period should hydrogen be assigned? Hydrogen should be assigned in first group and first period. So activity 5.2, consider the isotopes of chlorine Cl35 and Cl37. Would you place them in different slots or different position or different place because their atomic masses are different? Answer is, although the atomic masses of isotopes of chlorine, that is Cl35 and Cl37, are different, we would place them in same position because their chemical properties are same. Isotopes means having same atomic number, different atomic mass. Okay, Mendeleev also placed many elements in the same slot or place even with different atomic masses because their chemical properties are similar. Okay, so isotopes are having same chemical properties, therefore they are placed in same position even though their atomic masses are different. Okay, so many elements in the, even Mendeleev also placed many elements in the same position even with different atomic masses because their chemical properties are similar. Some other examples are iron, cobalt, nickel were placed in 8th group collectively in Mendeleev's periodic table. Okay, so in Mendeleev periodic table in 8th group, all these three elements are placed because they are having similar chemical properties. So the second question in that, would you place them in the same position because their chemical properties are same? So isotopes are having same chemical property. So question is, so would you place them in the same position? Yes, because if you look at modern periodic table, the more fundamental property of classification is atomic number. Okay, therefore both the isotopes are placed in the same position as they have same atomic number and same chemical properties. Same atomic number and same chemical property. Therefore, we place in the same position. Activity 5.3. How were the positions of cobalt and nickel resolved in the modern periodic table? Okay, so modern periodic table is based on atomic number of element. Okay, it is based on the atomic number of elements, and elements are placed or arranged in the increasing order of their atomic number. Modern periodic table is based on atomic number of elements and how elements are arranged in the order of increasing atomic number. So atomic number of cobalt is 27 and nickel is 28. Therefore, cobalt is placed before nickel. So thus these elements are placed in their correct order of increasing atomic number. Next question in that. How were the positions of isotopes of various elements decided in the modern periodic table? Okay. Modern periodic table is based on their atomic number of elements, and elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic number. Since isotopes has same atomic number, okay, but different atomic masses, and in modern periodic table elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic number. Thus there is no need to assign separate place for them. Okay, so different isotopes are placed in same position, okay, because their atomic number is the same. Next question in that, is it possible to have an element with atomic number 1.5 placed between hydrogen and helium? No, it is not possible. Atomic number 1.5 is not possible, as atomic number is equal to number of proton and it is equal to number of electrons. Okay, so atomic number means it is equal to number of proton and number of electrons. So it is not possible of existence of a half proton or half electron. So there is no question of placement of such elements, as existence of such element is not possible. Okay, the next question in that, where do you think should hydrogen be placed in modern periodic table? Since elements having same valence electrons are placed in same group and hydrogen have valence electron equal to 1, it is 1s1. Atomic number of hydrogen is 1, so only one valence electron. So hydrogen is placed with the elements having same number of valence electrons. So which group is having valence electron 1? That is first group. So therefore hydrogen is placed in first group.